Guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the best side hustles that you can do from the comfort of your home. I have a few ideas for anyone, but I'm also going to share the doTERRA business. I'm going to stick around till the end and I'll invite you all to a special insider's look at the secret sauce I use to create massive income as a stay-at-home mom. Hey there, I'm Monica and I'm a wife and mom of 4 kiddos, and before I found essential oils, my health was going crazy. And now so many things have just become amazing. So I love to share what I'm doing and help educate others on the power of essential oil medicine. One of the most popular side hustles out there is the doTERRA business, but I'm going to share a few other ideas so you can get a sense of what's out there. So let's dive in. Number 1 is freelance writing. So if you have a knack for writing and you can produce high quality words, then there's a ton of opportunities. There are various websites that offer freelance writing gigs, and the more that you write, the more you can earn. You can write anything from blog posts to product descriptions. Another way to go is being a virtual assistant. Some companies are looking for virtual assistants to handle things like email management, scheduling, or social media posts. Another option is online tutoring. So if you have a skill or a background, you can tutor students from around the world in things like math and English. This can be a great option. Another option is transcriptionist work. If you have good typing skills, then you can transcribe anything from interviews to podcasts. Lastly, and my favorite side hustle from home, we have the doTERRA business. doTERRA is a wellness company that offers essential oils and other wellness products. The company has a direct selling model, which means that you earn money by selling products directly to others. This company provides some huge benefits. Number 1, flexibility. So when you work from home, you can set your own schedule and work at your own pace. You can choose to work early in the morning or late at night or whenever suits you best. This is incredibly helpful if you have other commitments such as family or school. Also, there's incredibly low overhead cost. When you have a side hustle from home with doTERRA, you can work at home and avoid paying rent, which can be very expensive. Instead, you can work from home in a spare room, which can really reduce your overhead costs. You also get increased productivity. You can eliminate many of the distractions that come from working in an office. You can set up a workspace that promotes productivity, and you don't have to deal with interruptions from other office staff or office-related tasks. One of my favorite parts is the improved work-life balance. Working from home, you can create a better balance between your work and your family commitments. You can take breaks to spend time with your family, get personal commitments done, take walks, all while getting your doTERRA work done. All of these, in my opinion, make doTERRA one of the best side hustles that you can do from home. If you enjoyed this video about some of the best side hustles you can do from home, then heart this video and subscribe. And if you're interested in seeing more about the doTERRA business, reach out to me ASAP because I have a business overview coming up this week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.